Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a golf shaft. Start by confirming shaft length, tip size, and grip orientation, then remove the grip and tape the ferrule. Heat the hosel evenly and use a shaft puller to extract the old shaft safely. Clean the inside of the hosel thoroughly and test fit the new shaft dry to check alignment and length before final epoxy assembly. Warm the hosel gradually with a heat gun while rotating the club to distribute heat evenly, and avoid excessive near-ferrule temperatures. Protect the club head with foil or a head cover, then attach a shaft puller and apply steady pressure until the shaft slides free. Keep the shaft straight as you remove it to prevent splintering, and inspect the hosel interior for old epoxy or metal shavings that could affect the new bond. If you're finding this guide useful, please subscribe and like. It really helps. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite fits in a toolbox pocket and lets you read repair manuals or setup notes clearly under bright or low light. It's thin, durable, and perfect for keeping instructions handy during projects. Take a look at the description for the product link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Measure twice and cut once when trimming the new shaft to length, then dry fit to verify the butt and face alignment matches your setup. Mix a quality 2-part epoxy per instructions, coat the inside of the hosel and the shaft tip thinly, and insert the shaft while rotating slightly for even spread. Clamp gently or tape alignment until the epoxy cures, and clean any squeeze out before it hardens for a neat finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.